Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I think the last time I posted anything was about 2 years ago. Now, little disclaimer, this video is now the third video that I'm recording because the last two that I tried just didn't work out. The file either just wasn't readable or the file was glitchy and sounded horrible and yeah, basically unusable. So these videos, these few videos of these command creations will now be, we'll be covering changing every single command in this game that was designed for 1.12.2 to be compatible with 1.15, or I'm in 1.15 right now, so I'm going to be using 1.15 commands. The first two recordings I went through with the intention of it being the first video. I went through and changed these because this was like 3 or 4 commands long, and I've now reduced it to 2, and it looks really nice and it works and it's lovely. So also I've had to change, there's been a lot of changes since 1.12.2. It's really annoying because as soon as I released 1.13, every command changed, and this game was basically unusable for anything, and I was just really dreading doing this, but I thought, you know what? I'm just going to suck it up and do it because I really want to get back to this, and I've had a craving to do a recording. So, if you remember 1.12, this used to be scoreboard. Scoreboard, teams join player and then the team. Now it's just team. Team join lobby and then the player, which is annoying to say the least. Why did this? Yeah, it does. Okay, it just didn't come up. Okay, cool. Oh boy, I'm not going to touch those. I went through these and I explained how the radius, the R equals, had changed to distance, and how you can't just put a number here. It will say it will work, but it just won't. Like, you have to be exactly 1 block away. Otherwise it just doesn't work. But you have to do the dots before or after the number now. So in last few episodes, I'm just going to say last episode, but you know there was no previous episode to this. I'm just going to say previous recording. In the previous recordings, I fixed up these, the signs that you right click actually works, takes you to the respective areas and changes team and whatnot. So I basically got done all this and I started going through these command blocks here, and then I basically left the rest to like a future video or whatever. But as you know, those videos didn't work out because of other reasons. Now I just spent the last 10 to 30 minutes, about 30 minutes. Okay, just go with 30 minutes. Trying to get this command to work. Execute. Right. The aim of this command chain here is to detect when someone has fallen off the platform, and then to put them into the spectator team and put them into a spectator. Now, there is, I eventually got it to work. I did some, so this command right here, execute as the player, anyone that's in that playable area, in the area that's to be played on. If the block that is below them is the black concrete, and then set them into spectator or whatever, just run this command. But it just wasn't running, so I was like, okay, put it into say on block, which I just made sure, like, got rid of. This is black concrete. Okay, black concrete, that should be running. This is active right now. Always active, repeat, unconditional. Now I'm like, why is it not working? Like, it's not even giving an output here. So I was like, okay, what if I run it in my chat? nothing because I'm not standing on it. But when I stand on it, it says I'm on the block and it does target me. Like this is say, and then it's running as the player. Now, I don't know why it's not working on this. Like this should be spamming me like that. Should be spamming me like that, except this format. But it just wasn't. So I tried a different method, being execute at a player, and if the block below them is black concrete, in this case stone, run execute as the player that is in that same coordinate, and then run say on block. Pretty much this is just another way to do that. Yeah, so I finally got it to work after pulling my hair out for so long. I'm glad I got it to work because now I can make the other commands work. But the trouble is now, this will be anyone in the world that's within this distance pretty much. But I only want it to target the player that is like in the team lists, game 1. Yeah, game 1. So what I have to do now is go to this and go team equals game 1. So now this will work. I just copy this quickly and then use it on the end. So I'll replace this at A with that. So now, since I'm not in the team anymore, it won't target me on the stone. But if I go team, that's not how you spell team join game 1. So now I'm in dance 1 game 1. I don't know why I did that. Isn't activating. Okay, that's lovely. That's nice. So now we have another bug to fix, which I don't understand because it should be targeting me. Team game 1 execute. Okay, that's nice. Oh, it's black concrete now, isn't it? Okay. Okay, I forgot I changed that bit. Okay, I'm glad it's working. Thank fuck. Okay, what's this doing? What's this? Detect person and put them into spectator. That they're already in a team. Doesn't this one change them into team? Detect. Oh, this is... Okay, no. So this needs to run team... Cannot spell team. Team join game 1 at S. No, this needs to be spec 1. Spec 1 at S. At S will be the player because it's executing as this player. So now if I do that, I should be in spec 1. If I list game 1, I'm not in game 1 anymore. If I do spec 1, I'm in spectator. Heck yeah. That is nice. Okay. Now this, does it go that way? Whoops. I don't think so. It goes that way. What? Goes that way. Okay, that's confusing. Okay, make sure that's that. Okay. Let's pretty much... Wait. Let's just make sure that... Execute at a concrete spectator team distance 1. How was that working if that was radius? What? Oh, it was executing at, pretty much, in today's context. Okay. Execute. Okay, I'm just basically going to copy this. Except I'm going to change game 1 to spec 1. Team spec. Execute at Anyone who's in that area, team spec 1, if the block below them is black concrete, still execute as that player. Spec 1, run. And then what was the command? So this was team join spec 1. And then what was this? Put them in spectator mode. Okay, run game mode spectator at S. Okay. And then we'll get rid of that. Let's just copy this quickly. I did not mean to do that. I hope it's actually... Okay, good. It did save the MBT. I'm like, oh, okay. I hope that worked. Okay. Change this back to spec 1. Spec 1. And change this to spec 1. Spec 1. So theoretically, they should still be at that same position. Run. And then TP. Run TP. Oh my god, it's the coordinate and then destination, location. What? TP at player. Oh, you're kidding. What the fuck? Oh, I did command C. Okay. Run TP the destination at S. Why? Oh, it's at S and then destination. Oh my god. It's already so confusing. Location. That's destination. That should work, right? If I... Okay, it does work. Okay, that's good, that's good. And I can't exit, can I? Frick. Okay. Team. I cannot spell team for the life of me. Team. Join. I'm just going to wait for game. And then game mode. I don't know why I just didn't do just a slash. Okay. And now it shouldn't be affecting me. Sick. Okay. Also got these to work. That's why it was teleporting me. These weren't working. Obviously. Because if they were, then I wouldn't have... Or if they weren't, I wouldn't have been getting teleported. Okay, so that's 1 out of however many... That's how many commands out of however many commands I need to do now. Which is quite a lot. I need to do... Basically everything from this platform here. I don't need to add... None of these are getting run, are they? No, because they're all impulse. And get rid of that. What's this? Okay, so I already changed this. What's this doing? TP, anyone that's wait for game. Execute at everyone. Run TP. Anyone... What? Oh, this is... Oh, okay. This is to stop players from falling into the void and dying. This is to teleport them back to that position, which is just up there. Okay, cool. Don't need to change any of that. Okay, now the fun part. Yay. Oh, no. Okay, so I attempted to change this bottom one already. These are what they look like. Execute at E. The score, game 1 arena here. Minimum of 3 and then equals 3, just to make sure it's just number 3 here. And then clone one of these player layers to up the top there. Okay, that's cool. And then this is This is the same thing targeting over here, but it's changing what block they need to get on. Okay. Cool. Lovely. Oh boy. Okay, I attempted to change this. I don't understand the scores thing yet. Game 1 arena. I don't. It's, yeah, just up to 1. Let's see. Redstone block. Oh, I need shift. I double tap that. That's fine. Whatever. It didn't change. It should be changing because it's score of 1. Score 1 here, and this is 1 right here. I can't help but think maybe I can do this better. Like I can do this integrated. This here is this here, but you don't actually need to use like an armor stand, or you can just use a fake player name. Summon. See, now that should work if it were to be. I don't understand. Scoreboard. Yeah, see this still works. The scoreboard objective stuff still works. Add. Okay, so this is a dummy thing. I don't know why. I need to get RSDG back. Back on here. Because he did all this. Oh boy. This is... Oh god. This is a whole new level, this. I don't know what to do. I don't understand the scores thing. How does this work? Like this isn't giving me any errors. Like that is definitely how it goes. Like it's not a colon. Game 1 arena. See if I do what it. So if I do what? Equals 2 equals 1. How does that make any sense? How is that not wrong? I don't understand the score. I tried to look up last recordings. I tried to look up some like how to use the new scoreboard system. Scoreboard. I'm searching it out right now. Scoreboard scores Minecraft. So we've got MinecraftGamepedia.com, which is Minecraft wiki. Name in Mac. So you've got. I've done it right. Have I? Is these won't. If I. It does work. What? Game 1 stats. What? It adds. What the frick? So, at least this works. Like it adds 1 anyway. None of those will work, but what? So it's adding the entity game. game 1 stats in game 1 arena to 1. And then how do I test for that? I don't understand. What? I gotta change that to 2 now, but when if it ever changes, I'm gonna be like really thrilled. I'm gonna understand sort of, because this right now doesn't work. 2.2. Maybe that's the problem. It's always a theory. Oh, for God's sake. How does this work? Okay, so we've got commands. I'll just read this. Commands can check player scores by using target selection with the scores argument, syntaxed this way, which is the way I've got it. This argument uses name to specify the internal name for the test for objective. Okay, so it's supposed to be so this is supposed to be game 1 arena. But how, like, if there were multiple players in this scoreboard, how do we change? Like, how does that work? That doesn't make any sense. You've got display slots. Okay, no, I get all that. Get the references, like list, add, like scoreboard. So there's scoreboard players test. Execute. Like, we can do scoreboard players. There's no test. Oh, it's Bedrock Edition. Oh, frick. Okay. That's nice. There's I don't know how to use store either. Result. Score. How does game 1 stats? Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. This is as far as I've gotten. How else do we use that? There was... We used in conjunction with execute. So it's run scoreboard players get get, I don't know why we have to type it twice, but okay, game 1 stats, game 1 arena. Oh, for God's sake. Oh my God, but that's the name. Oh no. Score at E name equals, because this is what it had before, a 0. Game 1 stats has 0. It's gone back to 0. Why is this 0? Game 1 arena run scoreboard players get. Do I need to do the at E? Oh my God, capitalization. name equals game one stats. More than one. Oh, I forgot. Why? Do I have to type this shit in? I really don't want to type that in. Oh my god. Let's just try it. Let's just give it a go. I really don't want to type this. B2E9A094DE-42 1B-8C38 876 54321 3990 with my mouse E6 E6 DCF. Okay, has 0. Execute if entity at E name equals game one stats run. Oh no. Fuck. Okay, it has 0. If we add 1 quickly. Oh, thank fuck. I don't know. Oh, this is annoying. Can I change that? Can I change at E name? How would I go about changing that? Like, I would have to... wait a minute. I just do that. Do that. Yeah, see? And now I go game one stats. Game one stats as 1. Okay. Can I use score? Can I use that? 1. This won't work. I like how I'm fixing something that doesn't need to be fixed. I'm just trying to make it so that I understand. And so I know what I'm doing. But at this point, I have no clue. Oh goodness. This is difficult. How do I... Okay. Execute if entity... Game one stats. Store result of what? Score. If what? If what? I don't understand how to do this. If okay. If entity at just game one stats. I want numbers. Oh my goodness. Why? God damn it. I need to learn. What? God. team. I'm back on Google to see how we change this. How does one do Minecraft? Player's score on any objective can be changed via commands unless it's read only. No, these are read and write. Can be increased or decreased given set amount, changed by all statistics based objectives can be changed by commands. Player statistics are stored separately as they update. Scores in these objectives are updated in parallel. Commands can check player score values. Okay. By using target selection with the scores argument syntaxed. Oh. So if oh my god, you use data? No. If if entity store, let's just keep going back up. If no store execute store result score run no what what was it? Oh no, I've already forgotten. Was I being stupid just a moment ago? Oh, run, execute, run, execute. Oh my god. Run if no run if right no I was just being silly, I just forgot where it was. Data if entity came one stats and then path execute. What the heck? If data oh my god. We saw what? Score storage. No, it needs in one arena. If data entity I don't understand. How does one use data storage? Oh no, okay, I need to search this up again. Execute if data okay if data, what does source mean? Source path and then continue on with execute. What does that mean? If data execute if or unless the target block, entity, or storage has any data. How do I target storage? I don't is source 0 maybe. Path. I'm so confused. Run say hi? No, what? Where does the numbers come into it? Total storage. I don't understand if... Score, game 1. Game 1 stats. Game 1 arena. What? Execute if score game 1 stats, game 1 arena is equal to, I do matches. Matches 1. Just 1. Run say is 1. Oh boy. I got it. I got it. I didn't even need any help. This is okay. This is nice. So execute. And then I just need to get rid of run say hi. So this is now, if I go scoreboard players, remove at e name equals game 1 stats 1 arena. What? Okay, well, reset. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, so basically this isn't needed anymore. Oh, right, I gotta actually fire it. Okay. Moment of truth. Please, 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 please. Hell yes. Hell yes. I am so happy right now. Oh my god. How long did that take? Like, I don't want to, I don't want to know how long. Probably like at least half of this video so far. Okay. I'm so glad. I'm so happy right now. Okay. Matches 1 and then, oh god, this side. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna do this because I know how this works now. What? Excuse me. Now it's run. Oh no, this was 3, wasn't it? Matches 3. Hell yes. I add one, and then do that. Now it's a different one because only that single one would have fired. Heck yeah, boy. Heck yeah. I'm happy. I'm happy, so happy. Oh yeah. Replace item entity. Okay. So this is, oh my god. Excuse me. I don't know how to use this. Execute. This is the same one, isn't it? Execute matches 1. 1 arena minimum score is 1. Run. Oh god. Container. Hot. Is there a hotbar? Hotbar.4. Okay. Stain. It's terracotta now, isn't it? Terra. What color? What color? Oh no. What is 14? count 1. Oh no, I need color values. Color. That's not how you spell color. Color values. Oh no, I need Minecraft. Color values Minecraft. Oh no, no, I don't want essentials color values like the FF, like the hex color values. I want like 14, 15 sort of thing. Glazed terracotta, colored terracotta. What's 14? Okay, I'm on the Minecraft wiki again. No, I need the old. Oh no. Oh no, here it is. Okay. Block data in Bedrock edition. Okay, it's red. 14 is red. So I need to change to red underscore terracotta and then change that. If I do that now, no, it won't run. It won't work because it's not 1. Okay. Let's go players set game 1 stats, game 1 arena to 1. And okay. And I think I do remember it being red. Hell yeah. Okay. So now oh god, this is gonna be so bad. Okay. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you watched through the video and hopefully you enjoyed me struggling with these commands. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time, whenever that is. Don't expect anything weekly or anything, but it is what it is. Thank you and goodbye.